Discover the ultimate soy garlic chicken that will become your new obsession. It is perfect for busy weeknights or special weekend occasions. You will only need a few simple ingredients and 20 minutes of your time. Slice each chicken thigh about 1 inch apart without cutting all the way through. This will allow the chicken to absorb more flavors and cook faster. Season the chicken with salt and white pepper on both sides. You can also replace it with black pepper. Sprinkle with a thin layer of cornstarch over the chicken on both sides and dust off the excess. Every ingredient in the sauce has a purpose, and this is why I use them. Soy sauce adds savory saltiness. Rice wine removes any gamey taste. Brown sugar gives a caramel-like sweetness and helps thicken the sauce. Honey adds a floral sweetness and glossy finish to the sauce. In a pan over medium-high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. And place the chicken skin side down. Pan fry the chicken for about 4 minutes until golden brown. Then flip the chicken and pan fry for another 4 minutes until golden brown. Toss in the garlic and pour the soy garlic sauce into the pan. Flip the chicken back to the skin side down to achieve a nice color on that side. Cover the pan with a lid and simmer for about 5 minutes. Uncover the pan. Flip the chicken one more time and reduce the sauce for about 2 minutes. Occasionally pour the sauce over the chicken. Ensure the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a look at the chicken. Wow! With the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and garlicky flavors, it will leave you craving for more. If you like to make quick and easy char-siu chicken, check out the video right here. Absolutely love it, and it's so delicious. I hope that you also enjoyed this recipe. So here's a little quiz for you. What did I do to the chicken to make it cook faster? Please comment below and subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!